road, Kena? I haven't been here maybe in about 10 years, maybe, you know. Or maybe a little less, you know, because if they call me around here, you know.
Yeah.
But not like for recreation, you know. Like right now it's for recreation, you know.
Yeah.
No. But really for recreation, this place over here about 15 years, you know. Maybe longer than that. Before you was born, maybe about 10 years before you was born. So yeah, about 15 years, right? No, 24 years there. 24 years. Yeah, you know? Yeah. Look at the way they made these houses. They made their steps all the way in the bottom and then all the way up, all the way to their door, right? How your house was nice and cool when you came in?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're nice and cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I scared Oreo today when I came in.
Oh really? What did you say?
Because I came in very quietly,
Uh-huh.
and he didn't hear me, I guess, because he was sleeping by you.
Yeah.
And I closed the door very quietly.
Yeah.
And then I called his name in the kitchen.
Uh-huh.
And then I hid by your desk.
Yeah.
And as soon as he came, I scared him.
Really? What he did?
He jumped.
He jumped. What did you do? What did you do?
I went out.
Really? He
Yeah.
jumped?
And he went, "Whoa."
Really?
Yeah.
Remember the one day you made him pee because he got so scared?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think he didn't have no choice than only mark his territory. I think it was right. Was he? You think he was marking his territory
No, I think
when
he was scared.
when he got scared?
I think he was just scared.
Scared so much that I got it.
I had him pee.
Made him pee. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the mill is not a good idea, right, Mama?
Definitely not now.
No, right? No.
Maybe in like July.
Oh no! I'm saying period. You know?
Oh no, I love the millie.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but remember the people over there.
Yeah, I only like it when there's no people there.
Yeah. No. They That's when you told me I saved Mama Jackie too. You know?
Yeah.
Like I saved Mama Jackie.
I didn't really try to save her. I was just holding on.
Really? Yeah. She was already ready to fall down. Okay. Yeah.
She probably, I would have also probably fallen.
Yeah.
Because I don't think I could have held on like that.
I know. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, give it likes. If you like my videos, make sure you make comments. If you have any questions, make comments. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.